this is Sora 2 and today I'm going to test it to the limits. So stick around till the end as I'll be sharing 4 imitation codes in the comments and showing you how to access Sora from anywhere. First let's try something that only Sora 2 has, and this is Cameo. So here you can find already predefined characters like Sam Altman and many others, and you can just tag them and do whatever you like with them. So for example, click on Sam, then add also Jake Paul, for example, here, and then let's say, so Sam says I need more GPUs and Jack says who cares, I need more beers, and let's see what happens.
I need more GPUs! Who cares? I need more beers.
Nice. That's actually pretty good.
I need more GPUs! Who cares? I need more beers.
Yeah. Then let's try a famous prompt from the commercial. So gymnast doing a flip on a balanced team to see how well it's regarding the motions and the physics.
Big breath. Got it. Good. Stay tight.
Stuck it.
Nice.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Big breath.
That's actually very good, and many video generators has a lot of problems with that. But one thing to have in mind is that Sora is very good with the simple prompts. And if you do a very complicated prompt like this, slick letter gracefully performs backflip, so you know, more detailed prompt, then we will get this. Yeah. So you see, yeah, whoa. So big problems here, and you see the prompt is much more complicated, but it didn't follow it at all. On the other hand, as you can see, I tried this in VO3, Kling, Van 2.5 and Hailou also, and you see how many have struggles with that, but Kling is performing great, completely everything correct. So now let's try this simple prompt. Actually, Sora is pretty good with, as mentioned, simple prompt and creating the whole scene just by writing something like this. Hilarious, ironic scene at a dentist's office. So let's see what we got there.
All right, let's see how these pearly whites are doing. Big A for me. Oh, little salad left over. We'll evacuate
Suction.
that. You really need to floss after leafy greens, okay?
Right, you missed one too.
Hey?
In your brace.
Oh. All right, let's see how these pearly whites.
This is pretty good. Very similar scene here. Ironic scene at a hospital during pregnancy exam.
That's unusual. Unusual how? Well, the baby just waved at him, like it recognized the
I'm not
face of stress.
stressed, I'm supportive.
Sure, and I'm the one having the contractions.
Oh my gosh.
Huh.
Pretty good. Now let's try uploading an image and see how good it is in recreating the scene. So here we have the simple cartoon, hi, hello, how are you? And then just prompt, recreate this, but as real people and funny.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Whoa, almost fell over there. See ya.
Smooth exit.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So yeah, it almost completely recreated the whole scene from the cartoon. Then I have one similar example. I uploaded just this image of 2 people fighting and said, make those 2 argue. One is saying, these pretzels are making me thirsty. Other says, the drink dehydrated water. So yeah.
Pretzels are making me thirsty.
Then drink dehydrated water.
That doesn't even make sense.
Exactly, just like complaining about pretzels.
It's a normal complaint.
Normal would be drinking water. I'm offering innovation.
You're absurd.
Yeah. So Sora 2 is pretty funny. So only by this, it created the whole conversation that is pretty ironic, funny, and nice. So then once again, let's use Sam, but now we want him to advertise a product for us, for example. So then we upload a product. So this one, interesting dehydrated water, and Sam did the following.
Dehydrated water. Just add water. Look at that splash. It's definitely doing something. 16-ounce can makes up to infinite gallons. Finally, math I understand. Check this out. Dehydrated water.
Nice. So it really did create the can out of the image that I provided, and dehydrated water, and he's doing a nice TikTok style advertisement only by using this prompt here. Pretty good. So the similar thing, but I uploaded the different image. So I uploaded the image of this something, what is called that, and
Beverage technology. A hard hat whose only job is keeping you hydrated and slightly irresponsible. 2 cans, 1 brain, 0 hands. Engineers built rockets. I just needed this.
So now let's just try a couple of singing examples, just a simple prompt, woman K-pop band singing on a stage wearing white clothes. Let's see what we got.
Sunrise breaking through the gray. I catch the light in your eyes, it chases night away. Every step, every beat, we are fire on the floor, nothing can
Yeah, nice. So pretty good. It followed the prompt. They are all wearing white clothes and we have a K-pop band here. Then similar example with English boy band. Yeah. Nick Carter. Yeah. With a simple prompt like this. English boy band singing and dancing. They are singing about meaning of life. Yeah. Excellent job, Sora. Then we can also always make Sam sing. So I just written down singing a folk song in an office meeting while all other people are bored and holding their heads or crying.
Where the lanterns glow, carrying dreams to the shore. I follow the current where the wild reeds grow. I don't need much more. Night falls quiet over the fields, the sky turns by the river, the lanterns glow.
This is great, this is great. Sora really has a great sense of humor, really great. Then we need to try a couple of funny prompts, so funny cat drinking beer on a couch, and then some other things happening, let's see that.
Buddy, that's not a scratch post, that's a 12-ounce bad decision. Come on, hop down.
And you see the owner coming in the house. This is all made up by the Sora. I didn't write anything in the prompt. So let's look at a couple of similar examples. Here we have cat and dog doing similar things. Very simple prompt. And then we have...
Huh? Well, good news. The vet says no more beer or cigarettes for you two, but I can see you got the message loud and clear.
Haha, the vet says no more cigarettes and beers for you two. So that line was completely made up by Sora, which is great. So now we need to see how good is it physics. So we have this woman riding a unicycle and simultaneously juggling 3 bright and red apples. So let's see that. Good for now. Yeah, good. Now we have some problems here, but it obviously did follow the prompt and pretty good physics, I would say. But there are another examples on the physics. So this is the standard test to see how video generators are good with physics. So we have a prompt here and let's see. Well, this is good. This is relatively good. Yes, I would say this is good. Then we have bouncing ball, which is not following any laws of physics. Yeah. Not really. And then we have this car hitting a pile of sand. Let's see that. No, not really good. So Sora is not really good with realism and physics. I mean realism from the part of the how good it follows physics law, etc. VO3 and Hailou and Kling are much better at that. Also, I wanted to try popular ASMR videos. Let's see. So not good. This should be glass strawberry and pretty much different sounds. So let's try to upload some other things and see how good it is with numbers and logic. So I uploaded this simple equation and said make the attractive female professor with glasses solve this equation on the green board. This is the result.
Let's break this down.
So yeah, we have the nice attractive female lady with glasses here. We have some equation. Let's see.
Order of operations says we handle multiplication first. 6 times 6 gives us 36.
Yeah, we have a problem there.
Now the problem reads 6 plus 36 minus 6. Add and subtract from left to right, we end up with. Let's break this down.
Yeah. So not following the prompt exactly, but it's pretty good. And then we have a simple prompt, short documentary about AI video generators. Let's see the results.
Once the domain of large studios, video creation is being reshaped by artificial intelligence.
An idea that used to take a crew and a month of shooting, you can visualize it in an afternoon.
Once the domain of large studios.
Yeah, pretty good. So as I mentioned, Sora is best with the simple prompts. If you do a complicated prompt, it will not follow it at all. And I also needed to try so-called JSON prompting, so the complicated prompting to, for example, have this famous expansion of IKEA box and then assembly to the full room. Let's see that. It's good. It is good, but not really realistic as it is in VO3 or some other by using the JSON prompting. And as promised, I will explain how to access it from anywhere and also how to access codes. Actually, I will share the codes with you in the comments. So if you are outside the United States, EU, or whenever, just use the VPN, for example, NordVPN, to connect to the United States. Then go to the OpenAI Sora and then click on Login. Click on Continue with Google or any other account that you have. Choose your username, and there you have Stay on Old Sora or enter invite code. So without code, currently you cannot access Sora 2 at all. And I will be sharing 4 invitation codes in the comments down below. My only ask for you is please comment which of the videos I showed is the best or most funny for you, and I will reply on random commenters with the real invite code. So thank you very much for watching, have a great day, and enjoy using Sora 2. Bye bye.